All right, so I'll give you an update on this house remodeling. Got a lot of work done today, and I decided, well, I better shoot a video and show everybody where I'm at. So I've got all the flooring that's going to go in the house here in the garage, and this is the pattern and texture. This is vinyl waterproof from Lowe's. Extreme Performance waterproof. Really, really good stuff. I did not go with solid wood or wood laminate. The installer who does the flooring said, yeah, you definitely want to get this. It just lasts, and it is much easier to work with. I have no clue. So I like it, and that's pretty much all that matters. So we got a lot of the old carpet and padding tore up, let's see, yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm losing track of my days here, and got a whole bunch of doors. I got 8 of 9 doors hung already. Did that today. I got one more door. This is the exterior door here. To replace that door there. I'm going to keep that storm door. I'm going to retrim all this here. That'll be tomorrow. All this tile is going to be tore out, and I'm going to put that wood or that flooring in. So you can see the new doors here. Of course, trimming and painting is not done. That's going to be later on. And above the laundry room here, I had a contractor come out and do all the measurements for some really slick cabinets. I'm going to get rid of this dorky stuff here, get rid of that dorky thing there. I'm going to have some professional lighted cabinet. It's going to be really, really sexy looking. There's Coconut inspecting all the new doors. But I got these 6-panel doors at Lowe's. They're the laminate composite. Very nice doors. Very nice doors. Before we get into the kitchen, talk about that. This right here, I've got arch kits I'm going to install here. This is going to be arched over, so I have a nice curve right here instead of being that. I had the entire kitchen measured for new cabinets. This is all going to be replaced. It's all going to be painted like a white and all that. The fridge is going to be enclosed. It's going to actually be up a little bit higher. I have a really slick kind of like hood wood thing going up here. This is all going to get tore out here where this pantry is. It's going to be really, really beautiful. I kind of just let the contractor, installer, and the other contractor for the cabinets just kind of think through it for me, because I have no experience doing this, and they know what is good and what's modern and all this stuff. But all this is going to get ripped out. Eventually a new microwave and stove. I'm going to do gas, and the countertops. This is really going to be cool. Either granite or something along those lines. It's going to extend out further this way, okay, and it's going to be a kind of like a old school nook. I don't know what you call it, computer station, whatever, but you can like a shelving and extra cabinets. It's going to extend right out there where the litter box is right now. And this, I'm standing in my new dining area right now. This right here is going to get chopped off. So I'm going to have granite go all the way straight across, and it's going to actually come out to about right here. Extend this out probably another 6 to 8 inches. So then I'll have like a seating bar area instead of a stand-up bar area. It'd be actually a sitting area. All this tile is going to get ripped out and put in there. All this trim's going to get ripped out. That's going to get ripped out. I'm going to have crown molding in here. I'm thinking about like an olive Italian look color for wall painting. This is all going to get textured and painted over. That's a new wall there. That's all going to get ripped up and cleaned. The sliding glass door is already done and sealed. It is 100% sealed, and it is awesome. I love this freaking door here. Love it. I'm probably going to paint the fireplace. The oak is just no longer going to cut it. Probably paint it white along those lines to color match. My neighbor down the street did that with hers, and it is absolutely freaking beautiful. But like again, I have freaking interior decorating skills like a freaking moron. I have no idea what is good, so I leave it up to the pros. I'm standing in the main living room. All the carpet is gone. Okay. Speakers and all the hi-fi stuff is in the back bedroom. Over here, where the office den is, I removed the French doors. Those glass French doors I had in there, they're gone. Never liked them. Looked tacky and old. Gone. And I got another arch kit for here. So this will be curved here. And it's just going to be like another nice little seating area, living area. This carpet will be ripped out tomorrow, and all new flooring. This will be ripped out, all new flooring. I've got a new door on order here from Lowe's to replace this god-awful old thing. So that'll be replaced. Hi, Coco. Then over here in the back hallway, this is to the east bedroom here. Got this all hung. This is just all storage of stuff in boxes for now. Speakers and stuff. And go over here. This is all new in here. I got 3 doors hung here in the back hallway. That's the west bedroom new door, closet new door, and new door here. And just a temporary handle on it right now. But this is all going to get ripped out. New cabinet. This is all going to get ripped out, and fancy new stuff in there too. And there's my buddy boy hanging in there. Clyde, can you say hi to everybody? His lungs filled up with fluid. I've had to take him to the vet twice to get his lungs drained. And he's still breathing, pretty hard. He's just on his last leg. But he's getting all the love and attention the world could ever give him. And food and clean water and clean litter. And just, he's my bud. Hi, baby. Hi, yeah. But he's helping out like a good boy. So there you have. If you have any questions, let me know. It's just an old house with, even when it was new in 2006, it was old. They had those brown doors, just freaking, just putting new doors in this house just makes it look freaking awesome, fresh, new looking. And once I get new paint, and I don't know what color, I'm thinking about olive, like an Italian olive for in that area over there, and something modern for over here. I may paint this here too, that sliding. That door is really good, really good. So lots of work being done in the house, giving you a progress updating. And I'm leaving the bedrooms and the master bath back in there. I'm not going to show you tonight, but I'm leaving all that carpeted for now. And I could do that all at one time, or we'll see what happens here with how far I get here. But nothing's going to get completely done until probably mid-February. This won't be all completely done. So, but saving a ton of money, with Oklahoma tax free, disabled vet plus 10% military discount at Home Depot and Lowe's, saving big money doing this, and hired the right people to do the job, who know me. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, just let me know. Post it in the comments below, and I'd like to hear what you think. All right, have a good one. Time to rest. Worked all day.